Who's that?
It's flower.
Flower? Hi, Flower. Hi, Flower. Hi, Flower. Our friend Davi Davi here. Paloma.
Where am I
Mega love shout out to our one live viewer. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes, baby.
When we're gone, when
Mm-hmm.
we're at the Philippines,
Mm-hmm.
all of the pigeons poop here.
Wow, there's so many pigeon poops.
And all of the pigeons go here.
This is Ottawa today. All the snowbanks are starting to melt down. Look at this here. Are you okay, baby? You put this on a little bit cold, baby. It's cold here today, but it's better than last week. Welcome to Ottawa. We can see some of the roofs in our neighborhood because last week it's being covered by snow. Thanks God, but still it's cold outside. Hi, lovey-dovey.
Lovey-dovey?
The lovey-dovey, your friend. I think that's Flower. Mega love shout out to our 5 live viewers. Oh, there's another one. Ooh, hi, lovey-dovey. Hi, lovey-dovey. I think the other one is easy. Oh, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Flower.
The flower?
They already together. Down, baby. They went down. Oh, playing around. Are you okay? You have no shoes or yeah. Okay, this is our balcony here. There's so many birds poop. Look at this, baby, your chair. There's so many birds poop here. Oh my goodness, we have to clean up here. Look at this, guys. Ooh, so many birds poop, darling. Right over there. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a plane right there.
Wow.
Hi, plane. Bye-bye. It's a bit cold, baby ko. We cannot sit down here. It's a bit cold. Oh my goodness. I didn't put on my bonnet. Oh, somebody's on the skating rink.
Oh.
Yeah, they're on the skating rink. Yeah, there's a skating rink in the park. That's the skating rink. This one here, right over there.
I don't know how to
Um,
skate again.
oh, there are people in there. See that? I think the skating rink is now ready to skate and play hockey.
Or skating fun.
Yeah, because the snow is starting to melt down, baby. Look at that snowbanks. So that's the snowbanks here. It's accumulated. We had a winter storm. I think it was 2 winter storm, snowstorm. Yeah. Oh, it's cold, baby. Let's go inside. I have no bonnet, darling. Oh, oh, oh. I didn't bring my bonnet. You okay? Are you okay? Oh, yeah. Are you okay? So we're here in Ottawa and you can see the downtown Ottawa right there. Yeah, that's downtown Ottawa. And from here we can see the center tower of Parliament Hill. That's the center tower.
Parliament Hill?
Over there. This one. Yeah. That's the center tower of Parliament Hill. From here,
I can see
it's
this.
a 30 minutes
I can
drive.
see this light right over there.
What's
It's the
the size?
mountains far away.
Oh yeah. Oh no, my hand is shaking, baby.